Three. Oh. That means something to a lot of persons, right? The 333. Um, there's this idea that I will never get the laws of the United States enforced. But as soon as you enforce one, you're going to have to enforce them all. And there's the idea that I'm not going to get my sons. And I will never be able to speak to Marilyn because of the love that I have for her. Now, this conduct, the personal behavior of those in police departments, whether by action or inaction, verbal or nonverbal, yes. The manner in which a person behaves collectively, a person's deeds, yes. Now, since I haven't been able to talk to my sons and I haven't talked to Marilyn, in fact, I haven't talked to the police department except for when you've been arresting me, yes. Or, well, I did talk to you a couple of times. Thank you, Officer Johnson. The truth of the matter is your nonverbal response to evidence is incriminating. Now, let's say you continue with your family's way of doing things, right? Because in your minds, yes, as long as you have sex with something other than a human being, yes, you will be able to continue with the payroll that's been paying, yes. But I would say the criminal solicitation of having sex with anything that gets paid for sex, yes, is an actual prostitute. Pooch! Now, I know you wouldn't want to consider Mary Lee as a prostitute or maybe even a whore. Yes. But there's always the big question of exactly how much does it cost? Now, let's say that whore known as Mary Lee, yes, decided she was going to be the mind of law enforcement. Yes. I would say that you paying for sex is prostitution. And even though you're not having sex with actual women, you're having look-alike sex with clones. Yes. It is still very much your conduct. Yes, it is. Now, conduct does not include the actor's natural death or death that results from.